Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making chestnut braised chicken. Just look at this. Tender chicken, glossy sauce, chestnuts soaking up all that flavor. So this morning I picked up half a fresh chicken from the market. I had the butcher chop it into bite-sized pieces. Now here's a trick. Add about 4 tablespoons of flour. Rub it all over the chicken. The flour helps pull out any impurities. Then rinse it with clean water a few times until it's nice and clean. Drain it well and we are ready to go. We will also need some peeled chestnuts. For aromatics, grab big chunks of scallion, slices of ginger, a couple of star onions, and some dried chilies. That's all we need. Heat some oil in the wok, and in goes the chicken. Stir fry until the pieces start to take on a little golden color and all the moisture has cooked out. Then toss in the aromatics. Let that fragrance come through. Now splash in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking wine around the edge of the wok, followed by 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color, and about 5 grams of oyster sauce. Stir until every piece of chicken is coated beautifully. Now add the chestnuts and keep stir-frying so the flavors mingle together. Then pour in enough hot water to just cover everything. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Alright, time's up. Let's take a look. The chicken is tender, the chestnuts are soft, and the sauce has thickened nicely. Fish out the aromatics if you like. Give everything a quick toss, and we are ready to plate. Look at this dish. The chicken is braised to perfection, tender and flavorful. The sauce clings to every bite. I can't resist. Let me try a piece. The chicken is so juicy, not dry at all. No gamey taste, just a rich, deep flavor. Honestly, this is so good. Try it at home. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.